Around pick up yes. Any Loten Calvi, Kirang Mote Churchida.
Tashidele, Mieming la Loten Calvi. Nga ni Tsutsani, nga Italine yin, nga Loptu yin.
Yes, nga Loptu yin. Yeah. Any nga PK Shang yes. PK Shang yes. Ra. Yeah. Any nga pala chenzo pala amala chi paper ra. Pala nga pala paper yes. Tendela ra. Yeah. Any Daian Calvi, Kirang Mote Churchida Peketula.
Nyima la Daian, nga Italine yin, nga Chuptuin, nga Loptuin, nga Pekin.
Tara nga Pepanis, nga Pijang yes, ra. Ani Nyima Andreoni, Sarang
Tashidele.
Tashidele.
Nyima Nyima Andreoni, nga Italine, nga Bodijang nga Botai.
Yeah, Beapo.
Nga Lochoku.
Yeah, Lochugu, 17?
No. 19.
19, nga Lochugu is, ra, Chugu.
Okay, yeah.
Nga Lochugu is. Ani Pema CLERAUX, Kirangi Mote Surchida.
Tashidele, Ngeming la Pema, nga Pebe Jangi 2, nga Italie de yin, nga Pebe yin.
Yeah. This go out. Then Shamba Tenzo Nichitao. Any Tenzin Jigme choephel.
Tashidele.
Churang Mote Surchida. Please can I introduce yourself through the Tibetan language?
Nga. Tenzin Jigme, nga Italie yin, nga Loptu yin, nga Lo Chuke yin.
Nga Tara Lada Menton Shida.
Nga Zenta Choksumre.
Nga Zeta Chuson is in college to Nira.
Last year of high school.
Yeah. Any college nga the Pekin or Turin Homa Laura. Turin Homa is ra. Turin Homi Laura Tombo Nipas and Chevashigra.
Nga
Yeah. Okay, it's fine. Yeah. Any entire call Lemason, Linda Kelsang lady. Nita Kotanga decision which has a Malena. Any someone what it is as Ratanda. Yeah. Any Taichunzo Pepaki and Olola and the Susu Tanu Shopanamuyora. In the morning, I get up on 5 o'clock. I brush my teeth and face, and I took a breakfast. Tinenda olayera. Tinenda latusare. Nga shopa chise nga pang tholo lines. Ani nga so do domba to the trees. Ani shoja science. And the nga zo nyato tigiya dairy. I tita na shi so si Nyima chi karchi me shira. Te latusare. Nyima Lagal. Tenzin Jigme Lagal ameda. Tenzin Jigme. Yeah, chora inda. Nga shopa chise nga shopa nga chise nga oga lines. Tinenda olada.
Tinge singing mare.
Ale, ni nga lota dogu yes latu sare chodo.
Nga Lopta.
Nga lota dogu I'm going to school Laura.
Nga Lopta.
Jimmi Calvi do Loten Calvi ani Daian Calvi chodo peketi sungochu de Nyima Andreoni ani Pema CLERAUX ani Jigme 아니 춘속의 소속인 쇼파일 제시야 등속 배바코 깨돌 시도사래 디데 쇼파 치세 나팔 나야라인스라 아니가 소도 넘버 트윈스 라토사래 배바 깨돌라 지시에다 가야 말이 춘속 가네로 시에는 마시에다 인지메지 세올라도 그 말이 빠라빠라 인지게들이 주고 있는 데게래 야, Nyima Andreoni, cherainda.
Can you repeat? I don't understand.
Oh, you don't understand much
No.
in the Tibetan language. Okay. 아니, ngazu tinde sisangi be tiskuada. Pena de chonsa de thongdura. White lang ngazu kabo. Is name of color. Kabo. White. Sugar kapure shas. Ani nasa napure dos. Ink is black. Paper is white. Sky is blue. Kene do chine jantu sare. Yeah. Ani ta ngazo machichi kecha she inda lo. Inde chini gasare. Ani Jimmi Calvi. Tene tanda chora Italy de ra.
Yeah,
Jimmi
I
Calvi.
don't understand.
Yeah, you don't understand. No, you live in Italy, is it?
Yes.
Ani I'm a student la ngalo to yin la ra.
Yes.
Ngalo to yin. Ani nga peke sang yes. La to sare nga pe pa ke sang yes. Tel hago de nga pe pa ke I'm learning Tibetan language no la ra. I'm learning Tibetan speaking. Kene ra la to sare chilada. chira pepa ke kanera oshige chira shise kan jatu se machilada kanera olai
No,
yeah kaya mare
because I'm not confused.
Okay, just leave it. Okay, it's fine. Ani Loten Calvi.
Yes.
Ani nga mishi chingi yes la mishi glass. I'm wearing glasses lara. Nga mishi chingi la to sare.
Yeah.
La to do. Okay, you don't understand. Ani can I speak English?
Yes.
I'm just asking to Loten Calvi. You can and then
yes.
I'm wearing glasses Laura. Nga mishi king US Laura.
Yes.
Mishi glasses la mishi Laura. We're wearing nga mishi kemba Laura. Kemba nga mishi king US ra. Tani nga pepa ki ke shangi sena hakura nga pe ke shangi Loten Calvi.
Yeah. Nun
Yeah, kaya mare. Ani nga pelan drugi sena hakosare nga pelan drungi tugido. I want to go to Tibet. Nga pelan drungi tugido. Nga pelan drugi. I want to go to Tibet. I will go to Tibet. Pepake no latsare. Nga pelan drugi. I will go to Tibet. Peppa ke no chara chila da nga pela roki la de. Nga
Nga
pe pela la
Pela
roki
Yogi
in.
in.
That means I will go to Tibet la ra. Nga pela roki is. Nga pela roki is.
Nga Pela Yogi in.
Ani tangi Nyima chunzo ngote pe abuso ani nga mina Loten Calvi serious ani nga lo choje is ra ani nga pe jang is ani nga lotu is Toma ngote abuso ya ani dani Calvi ani kira dete la to sare nga shopa chise nga wala ya lines dete la to sare
I don't understand.
Okay, it's okay. Can you say just like that? This morning I would get up at 5 o'clock and I wash my teeth and face. Then I took a breakfast. Tene rolayera. Tene la tusare.
No, I can't say it.
Okay. Nga pela gapuye. I love Tibet. I like Tibet country. Tene la nga pela gapuye la tusare.
Nga pela gagiye.
Ya pea patara nga pela gapuye. Nga pela gag ani kang ko laimba I will go to Tibet laimba nga pela ndoki is
Nga pela jugiye.
pe ni paires pe Tibet is my homeland, Tibet is my nation, Tibet is my country lara pe ni paires
Pe nigayires.
pe ni paires my homeland lara my native land, my nation, my country pe wonderful pe lara Tibet pe Yeah. Ani Nyima Andreoni.
Yeah.
Ani Charainda. Can you introduce yourself by your daily routines through Tibetan language? Can you say?
No, with daily routine, no.
Tandrin Raulada. Nga tsemo konse polo tsigiyes. I play football lara. Nga konse polo tsigiyes.
Nga?
Tsemo nga konse polo. I am play football lara. Nga konse polo tsigiyes.
Okay, nga kanse polo sige.
Tara nga konse polo tsigiyes kalaure. I play football lara.
Play football. Okay.
Yeah. Ani
Nga polo sige.
nga konse polo tsigiyes. Te play lara. Play la ne tseba. Konse polo football. Tara. Ani nga tsemo la gapo ye.
I love football. No.
Yeah, I love football. I love games.
I love games.
Like to play. Nga tsemo la gapo yes. Nga tsemo tigi yes. Ra.
Rara. Tsemo la gabo ye.
Nga tsemo la gapo yes.
All right.
Yeah. Ani Tenzin Jigme chumbe. Ani chirangi this paper ke adole cheto sare. Can you speak a little bit about the Tibetan language on any topic?
Nga hagume nga lota dugi nga sapempa lota dugi me.
Yeah, okay, indeed. Yeah, Zapemba la to the pepo. Ani nganzo in a weeks some days different names. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Ani Zapemba la ni kinzala shikdora. Zapemba za Nyima la pi lord zeta yore la to sare. Zapemba za Nyima za dawa za laupa Tenzin Jigme. Chutnela. Tanda choro ndela sa. Zapemba nga pi jangi yo la sa. Lada, nga zapemba la pi jangies.
Nga sapempa pi jangi.
On Saturday, I'm learning Tibetan language in the Walagra. In India, which I am I'm not in English, but I'm just trying to understand you guys. Okay. Yeah. Ani charagi lada. Ni pamani bela bene yungares latusare. My parents came from Tibet in the Wala latusare pepanolol. My parents came from Tibet. My grandmother lived in Tibet. Ni pola da mola bela deures. Ni pala da amala bene yungares. Tende latusare. Jimmy, that's the relad. Thank you, Naza Pembala, Iki Jangi Lasan, and Naza Pemba Nyima Timothy Lada. Latusare.
Nga Nyima Timothy.
Tara. On Sunday, I play football, any games you can say. Ra, Zapembala Timothy US. Ani Nga Pi Jayala Gapuyus, Peki Jayala. Nga Peki Jayala Gauyus.
Nga Peki Jangi Kabuya.
Tara Jayala Gapuyu, Jangius, Tendela Ra. Yeah. Ani Pema CLERAUX inside. That means Yima
CLERAUX.
Yeah. CLERAUX. Yeah, Ani Chanaki Peki don Sosogi Coltisia to Sare.
English, please.
Yeah, okay. Can you say something about any topics by the Tibetan language?
Yeah.
Yeah, Lada.
Well, whatever I want.
Yeah, whatever you can topic you can say. Just try to say in Tibetan language.
Je suis désolée, Nyima Pema. I don't know what to say.
Yeah. Ani nga pepa pi jaya gabu yes. I like to learn Tibetan language or Tibetan speaking. Lara.
Oh, I have to repeat.
Nga pepa pi jaya gabu yes.
Nga peba Pege la
Jaya la learn study la gabu ye. I like to learn Tibetan speaking or language. Lara, nga pepa kele jaya gabuyo, pi jaya la gabuyo. Ani, my parents came from Tibet lana pege do kandela sare. My parents came from Tibet.
Nye apa e ama.
Pene. From Tibet. Yongware.
How do you say it?
Yongware lana came from.
Okay, Yong.
Yongwares. Ni pamani bene Yongwares. My parents came from Tibet lara.
Okay.
I like to learn or study on Tibetan speaking or language lara. Ani da gong yang do da yang ja. Tenzin Jigme. Tiring konsen re na lapsare. Tiring konsen res. Today is Sunday. Today is holiday.
Tiring konsen re.
Tiring konsen res. There is Nyima res. Nyima la nganzo konsen ra. Every Sunday there is a Sunday holiday. Is it?
Yes.
Tara. Ani tiring konsen res. There is Nyima res. And today is Sunday. Today is holiday. Tende la ra. La tu sara. And in our years, we have 2 months vacation Laura. Lochi ginolas nanso dawani konse yores. In our years, we have 2 months vacation. Can you say this
ngang
words in
so
Tibetan
ni
language? Nga so lo chi la konsen dawa ni yores. Konsen la nga to tangila chai ba holiday we. Holiday
yes
la nga to konsen holiday konsen la ba. Ani lo chi la na 1 year la ra.
yes
Ani lo chi la dawa ni konsen yores 2 months. Dawa ni la na 2 months. Ni
logic ni conseil
lo chi la dawa ni
logic ya dawa ni
ni konsen yores konsen holiday 2 months holiday ra tala to so yanji chila da
logic
lo chi
and
la
dawa ni conseil
tara pe apo lo chi la dawa ni konsen yore tara pe apo ya pe apo las ani three konsen res today is sundays today is holiday then lo chi la dawa ni konsen res tenga zol pepa do la shi sarda shema do konzo lanjo tis nya lo ani nyam da ngazo shiro ra 아니 나 Jimmi Calvi 초라인다. 아니 what about you want to learn Tibetan language? Can you give me some idea on what topic you're going to talk on the Tibetan language?
Okay.
Just give me an idea. So it's okay. Nga nana days. I live in my home. I stay in my room, Laura. Hakuso, you got it? I stay in my room. You got it?
I can say in Tibet.
Nga nana days. Nga nana days. Na home. Nana na home la ra nganzo chim. Chim la de nga chim la days chim. Nana la na digre, chim la na digre. People Jimmi Calvi chora tet nada de la chison. Jimmi Calvi, can you say that today I live in my home, Laura. I stay in my room, Laura. Nana days. Just try. It's okay. Just try.
No, I can't say.
You can't say. It's okay. Yeah. Okay. And nga roki is I'm going. Nga roki.
Okay.
I'm going out. Peppa, can you say that? Jimmi Calvi.
Oh.
Na roki is latusare. I'm going.
Okay.
Lada cha. Na roki lada.
Nga jogging.
Kala where? What's meaning of that? I'm nga roki.
Okay.
I'm going like ra. Nga roki is ra.
Ra.
Yeah. Ani Loten Calvi.
Yes.
Yeah, ani kirana. Today I have a walk lana kanela ipeke tola. Today I have a walk. Tiri nga leka yes.
Tiri.
Tiri nga ngarla leka yes.
Tiri. Nga.
La leka
La.
yes. Leka yes.
Le. Ga. Yes.
What's mean of that? Tiri nga la leka yes. Can you say in English?
I walk.
Yeah, yes. Today I have a walk, Lara. Tiri nga la leka yes. Tiri nga la leka yes. Tiringa kalekasons. Today I'm so tired. Tiringa kalekasons.
Tiringa
Kalekasons.
kalekasons.
Kalekasons. So today I'm so tired.
Okay.
Then don't go too soon. You got it, this meaning? Tiringa kalekasons.
Today I'm so tired.
Yeah. That's point. Yeah, good. Yeah. Any Jimmi Calvi. Jimmi Calvi 말해. Daian Calvi. 저러다. Tiringa rota dogins. Today I'm going to school, Laura. Tiringa rota dogins.
Tiringa lota degreens.
Tiringa rota dogins, Laura. Nga like the I, Laura. Nga I. Tiring today.
Tiringa
Today.
lota
Rota
degreens.
dogins. Tiringa rota dogins. Today I'm going to school, Laura. Today I'm going to school and how you say in Tibetan language? Tiringa rota dogins.
Tiringa lota degreens.
Today I'm going to school, Laura. Telana la paper ke no la chiswa. Tilada. Just say in Tibetan language. Today I'm going to school.
Tiringa lota degreens.
Very good, excellent. Yeah. Ani Tiringa semba shibudo. Today I'm so happy. Tiringa semba shibudo.
Tiringa seba shibudu.
Today I'm so happy, Lyra. Shibu happy.
Tiringa seba shibudu.
Yeah. Ani Nyima Andreoni.
Yeah.
Ani Cherainda. Ani Tiringa Temotais. Today I watch television. Today I watch televisions.
I watch television.
Yeah, nga temo nga nientais.
Nga?
Nientin la diga nientin.
Okay, nyeting. Tiringa nyeting.
Nientin la machine chorandela TV la shin diga. Tiringa TV tais.
TV tain.
Tiringa TV tais. Television short form TV la ra. Tiringa TV tais.
Tiringa TV times.
TV tain, you just watch television and the movie is very excellent. Laura, ani temo yapodos.
Okay.
Temo yapodos.
Temo yabudu.
Temo yapodo.
Temo yabudu.
Lashison. Do you got it?
Lasso.
Yanzi chilada. Can you say that again in Tibetan language?
Tiringa TV time. Temo yabudu.
Tara peabo, very good. Excellent. Tara. Yeah, ani chitinda. Jimmi Calvi. Tenzin Jigme. Please can you turn your video and the voice? Tenzin Jigme, are you there? Maybe he gone. Yeah, it's okay. Pema CLERAUX.
Yeah.
During remote trains, today I wrote a draw la ra, remote train la ra, art.
I wrote a what?
Remote, art, drawing.
Oh, a drawing.
Drawing, yeah.
Okay.
During remote trains.
Tiringa remote train.
nga remote is.
Nga zimo tiring.
Nye remote lada. Tiring nye
Tiring nge.
remote.
Tiring nge zimo tiring.
Yeah, yes. Do you got this meaning during a remote? Today I drawing Lara drawing.
Yeah, today I drew.
Drawing.
I drew something. I drew a drawing.
Today I drawing image of my mother's. Ra.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, tinala. Ani tiring ngan cham roilada.
Tiring na cham tiring.
Doings. Today I go to walk, Laura. Walk. Today I go walk. Tiring ngan cham roilada.
Okay. Today I go to walk. Tiring cham doi.
다른 빼고. 아니 댄스 짐에 준비해. 저 고드라. Yeah. 아니 I like to listen to Tibetan music, Laura. Nga pepa je nyela gapo yes. I like to
pepa she gapo yes.
Nga pepa she gapo yes. Je nyembo dos. Je nyembo dos.
Nga pepa she gapo yes. Kagido.
Nga pepa she nyego yes. I am listening to Tibetan music. It is so melody. Tende la wala ra.
Nga pepa she nyegi do.
Nga pepa she nyego ye. Pepa she nyembo dos. Tende la wala. 아니 진짜 올라고 살아. nga tiring leka me lele ilada nga tiring lele. Today I'm so relaxed Laura.
Nga tiring lele in.
Tiring nga la leka me. Today I have no work. Tiring nga la leka me.
Tiring lega me. Tiring nga lega me.
Tiring nga la leka me. De Laura. Tiring nga lele is. Lele is leka me. Tene la tu sare peke tulo.
Tiring pelin.
Tiring nga lele is. Tiring nga konsen is ra.
Nga tiring konsen re.
Ya. Ani tang yang jangan tunggu melei dah. Tenzin Jigme. Is gua dah. Dia karena cuda aku ye.
But
Yeah, it's a map of the Tibet, is it?
yes.
Yeah. Jimmi Calvi and Loten Calvi. Can I understand?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. It's a map of Tibet. No, Tibet
Yes.
is occupied by the Chinese, is it?
It is.
In the 1959. In the 1959, China event in Tibet and they occupied. Is it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Ani pe jami ki tinzu chepare sin pepa ke la tu sare. Ya tatela ma to shash kai mare. Ani te kare sha.
Laza supportar.
It's capital city of the Tibet. It's called
Yes.
Potala, is it? Potala Palace.
Yes.
Yeah, there's Potala Palace, is it?
Yes.
Te la peki gyasa la sare sara. Yeah. Ani kyonzo pepa nensu kodre hakowe. Do you understand the Tibetan issues and what's the condition of the Tibetan?
Yes.
Yeah, good.
We know.
Can you, yeah, just tell us. Yeah.
I tell us.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No, terrible conditions. And in
1959. 1959.
1959,
China
China
invade in Tibet and
invaded
occupied.
Tibet. Yes, and Dalai Lama went
Came
to
in.
India with
80,000 Tibetan people
yes, people in
to
Tibetan
take a
people.
refuge in India. Yeah.
And
Yeah. Many Tibetan people self-immolated and protest to China's. Is it? As that
yes.
we need human rights, and we need to invite Tibet, Dalai Lama to back to Tibet. Is it?
Yes, is it?
Yeah. 아니, Tenzin 저런 배바골은 고추위야. Can you understand? And do you know about Tibet? And can you say something about Tibet?
What?
Can you say something about Tibet?
About the story.
Yes.
Yeah. Tell us something. Whatever.
The weather and
Okay, I just give you example. This year.
yes.
하고서
Yes. What should I say?
Yeah. Anything you tell us about Tibet?
On this picture, we can see how Tibetans are protesting against
Yeah. China's ruthless occupied. Is it? Yeah. Any Jimmi Calvi? Any? Can you say something about Tibet?
Yes.
As you know that. Yeah. Let us tell.
Tibet is in 1959 China occupies the Tibet.
Yeah.
And Dalai Lama go to India.
Yeah.
And China kill more Tibetan. More Tibetans go out of Tibet.
Yeah.
And this condition today.
Yeah. Oh, okay, thank you. And Loten Calvi,
Yes.
can you tell us something about our Tibet as your understanding?
Yes. Tibet was occupied in 1959, and in Tibet.
Yeah, it's okay. Tibet is one of country. It's a roof of the world. Be jaka chires, be zoni ki yonto le ne res ra, zoni ki roof of the world. Tibet's other name, roof of the world. Yeah. Ani Dani Calvi. Can you tell us something about Tibet?
Yes. In 1959, the Chinese occupied Tibet. In the first moment, the Chinese went in Tibet slowly, but then they became more. Their occupation became more strong, and they kill a lot of people. And then the Dalai Lama go to India because he can stay there. And the Chinese occupation didn't respect the Tibetans' rights.
Yeah, very well, good. Yeah. Ani Nyima Andreoni sawaje. Ani Jimmy. Oh, you tell us something about our Tibet. Anything you know? Anything you understand and you're gonna to talk about of Tibet? Okay, I just ask you one question. Why many Tibetan people take self-immolation? Oh. Tenzin Jigme. Why many Tibetan people self-immolated?
Because people usually might don't even know the situation about Tibet. They probably don't even know the fact that Tibet was invaded in 1959. That was the biggest type of protest we had because otherwise no one would even know about us.
Yeah. Many Tibetan protest and self-immolated because of we need the human rights. Is it?
Yeah, also.
We need a right to learn own language, Tibetan language. We have to do own cultures.
Yeah, because
we have to invite Dalai Lama back to Tibet. That's all their slogan, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Any Pema CLERAUX?
Well, Tibet was invaded in 1959 by China, and it still is being occupied. Because of this, the Dalai Lama had to go to India, and the Tibetan people started to rebel because of the occupation. And China, because of this, killed a lot of people, Tibetan people, to repress the rebellion. Today, nowadays, Tibetan is no longer being taught in the Tibetan regions, and the culture is being lost because we're no longer allowed to practice our cultural things.
Yeah. You know very detail about Tibet. Thank you. Yeah. And what we can do for Tibet to get freedom and human rights? As we are Tibetan, is it? Jimmi Calvi and Loten Calvi, Daian Calvi, Tenzin Jigme, Nyima Andreoni, Jimmi Calvi, Pema CLERAUX. We all are Tibet, is it?
Yeah.
Maybe your father or mother's maybe other country, Italian, isn't not much matter. But we have blood in our bodies of Tibet's blood, is it? So we have a duty to do something for Tibet, is it?
Yes.
So that's why we have to do something for Tibet, even though you can't do much, is it?
Yeah.
By the way, we have to do something for our own country to get freedoms and human rights and to our own cultures and the religious process. So voluntarily, we can't do anything. this 21st century, we cannot do the voluntary. But the peace, as Dalai Lama always said, that we have to solve our problem by the peace and the middle approach. Is it? Yeah. That's why we have to learn Tibetan cultures, Tibetan language, Tibetan Buddhist. If you understand well on this level, then you can do something our cause Tibet. Is it?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Today our class time is over. Is it? See you next time.
Okay.
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 Thank
Okay.
you.
Okay. See you next time. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Welcome.
Bye, sir.